Namaskar. Swachh Bharat Mission has transformed rural India by manifesting into a Jan Andolan for sanitation. This is unlike any other community mobilization initiative that the world has ever seen. None other than the Honorable PM of India himself led this mission. Since the launch of the SBM in 2014, over 10.5 crore toilets have been constructed. It was a massive behavior change program for over 55 crore people living in rural India, which could be possible with the active community participation in rural India. This has been achieved through the tireless work put in by all the states, districts and above all, our community foot soldiers, namely the Swachhagrahis, who helped spread the message of Swachhata in the villages of India. Attainment of ODF status was just the first milestone. We have to continue working towards the goal of Sampurna Swachhata, which means the village is clean in all aspects and not just free from open defecation. Phase 2 of the mission focuses on Sampurna Swachhata. This is ODF plus, meaning going beyond the ODF. This will include ensuring sustainability of the ODF status which we have achieved and also striving towards effective management of solid and liquid waste in the villages. In the spirit of no one left behind, the program will continue working towards ensuring access to safe and sustainable sanitation facilities for all. It is currently being implemented from the financial year 2021 to 24-25 in a mission mode. ODF Plus phase of the program is a progressive intervention towards comprehensive sanitation in rural areas that is expected to not only contribute to increased level of sanitation in rural areas but also improve the general quality of life. The program will strongly generate employment, invest in the sanitation economy and will have positive impact on public health and nutrition, as has been the case through phase 1 of the mission. Reinforcing the Jan Andolan for Swachhata will continue to remain the key focus of the program. Everyone will be engaged in the task of sustaining the ODF outcomes achieved and supporting villages with effective solid and liquid waste management arrangements. To this end, extensive IEC campaigns and initiatives will have an important role to play. Capacity strengthening will continue with the renewed vigor at all levels, with the special focus on capacity building at GP level for Sarpanches, Mukhyas, village presidents, community leaders and Swachhagrahis. While significant financial commitments have been made to fund activities under Swachh Bharat Mission Phase 2, this phase will largely bank on Jan Bhagidari and convergence with other programs. For the first time, 50% of the funds from 15th Finance Commission have been earmarked for water and sanitation activities. Convergence with the Manrega and development of revenue generation models, particularly for the solid and liquid waste management, is also being encouraged. Key component of the sustainability will be to ensure that sanitation facilities are available in public areas in rural India, including for the floating population and migrants. Towards achievement of this objective, districts, blocks and villages have been mobilized to construct, paint and maintain their community toilets. This initiative is aimed to promote sustained usage, increase a sense of ownership within the villages and ensure construction and maintenance of community toilets in rural areas. To conclude, SBM Phase 2 is even more important and critical for Swachh Bharat than Phase 1. As we fight against the coronavirus, we must pause to remember the role that Swachhata has played in our war against the pandemic. Sanitation and hygiene have emerged as the utmost priority, and it is heartening that today in COVID time, rural India households have access to toilet facilities and they don't have to go out for their sanitation needs. It is important that we continue to promote use by every person at all times and ensure hand washing with soap after toilet usage. We have been able to provide sanitation access to migrants and floating population through community sanitary complexes, CSCs. We are encouraging civil society and entrepreneurs to develop business models to ensure that the CSCs are maintained while following all safety and hygiene protocols and thus promote community health and hygiene. Guided by the vision of the Honorable PM, let us strive to continue working towards a Gandagi Mukt Bharat and move from Swachhata to Sampoorn Swachhata. Jai Hind.